What is up, raves? Welcome back to another video. Today I am, if you're new here, my name is RayV. Welcome to the channel. Today we are moving again. I have some more stuff over at my mom's that I'm going to take over to the apartment. The stuff that I needed last night to be able to stay tonight is what I'm taking, and some clothes. I plan on putting the bed together. I need to go get my internet box, and they need to turn the hot water on because we learned yesterday there was no hot water. So those are things that we have to accomplish today. I also have a interview, which is really just them going over what the daycare is, who they are, whatever. At 5:30, me and my mom are gonna go, and Kai. And yeah, so that's on our itinerary today, just to get the apartment together, unpack some stuff, get some internet, and get some more things over there so that we can actually start living there. So yeah, we're about to head out the door in just a second. I need to put something in Kai's hair because I just washed it, and we'll be headed out the door. I'll see you guys soon. All right, y'all, so me and Kai are in the car. We just got out of Xfinity, so y'all look crazy. But we just got Xfinity. We also went to Walmart. No, we went to Kroger, and got some groceries. Kai's always looking like that, and I don't know why, because he was just happy. But so now we're about to head back to the apartment. It's 11:16. It'll probably be about maybe 11:40 or so by the time we get to the apartment. So yeah, we got a lot to do before about 5 o'clock when I head to the women's daycare. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head there, get some stuff together. I'm so tired. It's my nap time. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get things that we need to get. This car is packed and it looks a mess. Oh my god. So I'm having issues with the Wi-Fi box, but I'm gonna figure it out because I'm not paying $100 for someone to come and do the same thing. I tried restarting it, and I'm hoping that maybe that works. Because isn't there an internet, like the thing you put in the wall and you twist it? Isn't there an internet one and a cable one? I think. I'm not sure. I really don't know. But I'm struggling. I'm really struggling. I don't really know what else to do. So I'm moving on from it. And if it comes down to it, I'll just connect my Roku and let it hit my hotspot on my phone, and I'll deal with the other stuff later. I'm just let it do what it's due. But now I'm in the kitchen. I'm putting groceries up. I'm putting dishes up. As you can see, I'm about to go ahead and start getting this stuff put away because I'm hungry. Kai's had some yogurt, but he's ready for some lunch as well. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, get us some food, get this stuff put away, and move on to other things. It's not good enough for me since I've been with you. Ooh. It's not gonna work for you. Nobody can equal me. No, no. I'm gonna sip on the straight when I'm fucked up. I should've known how to pick me. I'm gonna catch the rhythm while she push up against me. Ooh, is she tipsy? I had enough cover for 24. I picked you from across the room. Pretty little body dancing like go-go. And you are unforgettable. I need to get you alone. Why not? A fucking good time, never caring nobody. I got a little drink, but it's not Bacardi. If you love me, girl, then I'm so, so sorry. I gotta give it to you like we in a match. Oh, like we in a hurry. No, no, girl, nobody. You're on your level too. Tryna do what lovers do.
Feeling like I'm fresh out boost. If they want the drama, got the ooze. Ship the whole crew to the cruise ship. Doing shit you don't even see in movies.
So I know it doesn't look like it because it still looks crazy. but I have accomplished some things, so let me show you. I got some of the boxes out of here. I put some things away. So I put my teas, sugar flour, have some sugar flour out. I unboxed all of my boxed goods. I put all of my coffee mugs and stuff in here. My canned goods in here. That'll probably move because once I realized I had coffee mugs, I put them in here and nowhere else to put them. So that'll probably move because it doesn't, I don't know. Up here, I have those glasses that don't fit anywhere else. And then I also have my tall mugs. This light doesn't even work. So that'll probably move, but for right now, that's where it is. My knives I took out, my iced coffee maker and my coffee maker my mom did. I put my coffee and my sugar out. This goes in there, my K-cup. I have my glass and plastic set in here. I have my K-cups and my seasonings and my packets. I don't even drink Kool-Aid, but we penny pinch it right now. So yeah, there's that. I have nothing up here. The stove, I still have to change the time. I cleaned out this. I have to clean the outside, but I cleaned the inside. In here, I have my glasses, Kai's cups, my margarita glasses, tall glasses, plasticware. I put my groceries up. This actually needs to go to the trash because it's empty now. And Kai needs to drink the last of that juice. But there's that. My frozen goods. I also put my pots in here. I have a cake pan in there, like a cake tray. I got some pots in here. And then this is where my silverware and my cookie stuff is gonna go. But I need to get something to put in here because I don't want to just, you know, throw it in there. And I think I want to get one of those containers, like those holders to put my plasticware in, like my cook stuff. And then in here I have my mat. But this probably will change as well. But I don't know because there's this handle here and I don't want to have to like hit it trying to get silverware since I'll be going in and out of it a lot. And they came in painted and you know, they just put more damn paint on there. So anyway, they fixed the paint. That one's still kind of coming through a bit, but it's not as bad as it was. They need to come and fix this because it's still off the hook. But anyway, I took the trash out, but I have to break these boxes down, which I hate, but we're gonna do that too. I also, this apple juice is freaking delicious. But I have to find the rest of these because they go to the drawers and I can't find them. This is here because I just put the bed together. Kai's taking a nap, so I actually put the bed together maybe about an hour or two ago. My decorations that my mom made, I just need to put something in it and get this stuff off the table and it'll look way better. I need to get this cover up, find somewhere for it to go. Kai was in here and I was trying to fix the TV, so that's going on. But toys will be put in Kai's room and his damn shirt is on the floor, bless his heart. So I need to find something. I know this stuff has places to go, but Kai is asleep, so I can't put it in there right now. I don't want to wake him up. But yeah. So pretty much all of the boxes that's left over here, it's like the business stuff that's gonna stay in here. My clothes boxes that need to go in my room. But like I said, Kai's asleep. And Kai's toy boxes that I need to go through because Kai's no longer at the age that he was when he had these toys. So really they can go to the trash. So I need to go through those. But for right now, I'm gonna continue to clear out this area so I can have some peace of mind because I'm really close. I just need to get these clothes in there, and then once I get the clothes in there, I need to go get the baskets. I mean the drawers from my mom's house so I can have somewhere to put this stuff. And I need to put the hangers up, which is also in one of these boxes, two of these boxes. So two of these boxes are hangers. I need to put those into the room so I can put them away. That's also gonna go into my closet to put my shoes to minimize space. So we're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, so here's my bed. I got it all put together. I put Amani's nightstand over here. I'm gonna refurbish that. And then I'm thinking, maybe I have a dresser here, maybe a dresser here, or maybe a dresser here and my desk here. something along those lines. I need to get my basket. I took that off my bed. But yeah, and then the closet, I have to go put the hangers in there. But so the gas company connected my gas to the wrong apartment, so I still have no hot water, and they're saying the earliest they can come is the 18th. So another night we can't stay here. I'm just really frustrated. I'm trying not to be. My mom's like, oh, you know, things happen in a move, but like some things should be avoided because they had a lot of time to get it right and they didn't. So I'm frustrated about it, but there's nothing I can do about it right now. So we're going to go ahead and head to my mom's side of town because I also have to go and see that daycare. So I'm just gonna go ahead and head out now, get over to my mom's, and yeah, I'll probably pick back up tomorrow when I come back. All right, you guys, it's been a very stressful day, but we are back at the apartment. I went and dropped off the U-Haul. I got these boxes out of here. They're all in the trash, and the kitchen is looking pretty put together. What? So I also finally got the Wi-Fi to work, but as you can see, it's still flashing. So like sometimes the Wi-Fi goes in and out and I don't know what to do about it. So we just using it while we can. This is going to my room right now. I just brought that in here. This box has to go to the trash. This box has some stuff in it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I'm gonna take care of that. This is just here because we just got back. So this stuff is about to move and then this whole thing will be empty, and I'm starting to move these boxes out of here and into my room. Kai's air mattress is in there. Let me show you what it looks like. Get through all of this. The air mattress is up. I need to put a cover on here. I've been working on these spiders in the window because they terrify me. Like at first I was like, oh, there's spiders, they'll be fine. But if it was my room, I wouldn't have worried about it because spiders get rid of bugs. But this is Kai's room and I don't want them, you know, nibbling on him or something. So yeah, I was trying to see if that was a spider in there, but it's just discoloration. So yeah, I have to get rid of these spiders.
This was your bed?
Yeah, but now it's your bed for right now because I have my bed back. All right. Okay, y'all, so this is what the last room is looking like now. These boxes right here are gonna go into my room, but I don't have a dresser right now to put the clothes in. It's still, one of them still at my mom's house, and then I'm gonna have to buy another one. But the rest of this stuff over here is business stuff, minus that right there. That's a drone, that's Kai's, but he's too young for all that. But these drawers usually have business stuff in them. It's also like my packaging and all that kind of stuff. And then I have some products in this bag and my lash stuff. So I have a whole lot that needs to be unpacked and put into these drawers. But then, you know, RayV Cosmetics will be back up and running again. I just made Kai some toaster strudels, but the table is coming together. I'm thinking about a picture right here or something. That'd be really cute. The living room, minus Kai's toys and his shirt, because you know Kai don't stay clothed for long, is coming along. That's gonna be Kai's TV. My TV's at my mom's. But yeah, so that's right there. That also goes into the last room, and the thing on top right there goes under my sink. Like I said, that needs to go to the trash. That needs to go to my car. I'm gonna put that in the storage unit because that's Alicia's and her dad's gonna come get it. So moving on. In the kitchen, this is gonna come out of here because it doesn't go in here. But everything else coming along, looking good. Pantry still looking the way it's looking. Still needs to go do some more grocery shopping. I put some towels in here. My room, I need to put my skirt on there, but I'm gonna wait until my dad comes so that I can put the skirt on there. And then I also need to wash the sheet because I messed it up. So I need to wash that sheet. I have my clothes in here. As you can see, there's no dresser. I went and put the hangers up in here. Yeah. Yes, Kai. Who are you?
A Black Panther.
Period, Pooh. You look great. So Kai's enjoying the toys that he has been finding in his toy box. Kai's room.
Look at this snake, Mom.
You found your snake?
Yeah. Snake.
Mm-hmm. He's enjoying his toys. So I'm gonna let him enjoy his toys. Because Kai has 3 boxes of toys. They're just in there because they're not all gonna fit in here. So I'm letting him enjoy his toys he hasn't been able to play with. I'm gonna let this down. And then I closed that door off and locked it. So yeah, that's the tour. I can't remember whether or not this video had an intro to it. I believe it does. But if it doesn't, welcome back, Raves. It's been a hell of a day. It has been a hell of a day. But I think that I did. But just in case I didn't, I'm just gonna throw this in there. So yeah, oh, there's my charger. I was looking for that.
That's my teddy
So
bear.
yeah, I made your food.
This one's my teddy bear.
Yeah, I made you some dinner.
Good job.
Oh, thanks. So now I am going to relax because I'm finally done for what I'm going to be done for the most part. So I'm going to make me some food. I probably will cook this weekend, like cook for the first time this weekend. So that'll be exciting. But other than that, I'm going to chill and relax and just soak in the fact that this is all me right now. So yeah, I'll be back later. Good morning. So we had our first night and it was what I thought it would be, because I always struggle with the first night or even the first week, just getting, you know, acquaintance to a new area, hearing new sounds. I'm not used to hearing people walking hard throughout the night. It was I ended up going to bed pretty early, around like 10 something. And I woke up about midnight. Kai ended up waking up about midnight as well because he came into my room. I think it's because I had turned the air up to 72. So it started to get a little stuffy. So I ended up turning it back down to 68. But I could hear people, you know, coming home, which is fine. I think if I wouldn't have had the temperature up, that I would have been fine. So yeah, it was okay. It is now 9 something, and yeah, it's like 9:44. Me and Kai just had breakfast and I cleaned up. I made myself some iced coffee with my new iced coffee maker. The living room is looking pretty good. Kai had a breathing treatment this morning just because he's been outside more lately, and with the rain and all that kind of stuff, I'm gonna take him to the park later. So that'll be fun. But I also plan to get this room together, the last room and the business room, because I want to go back to selling my RayV Cosmetics. So by the time I upload this, RayV Cosmetics should be up. At least the link will be up so you can, you know, put your email in so you can see when I am active selling. But I am going to have all of that up and ready to go today. So that is also going to be exciting because my lip glosses are bomb. Like, if you go to my Instagram, you ever see anything, you look at my mom's videos, anytime you see anything on her lips, it's RayV Cosmetics. Everyone who's bought RayV Cosmetics, love RayV Cosmetics, best lip gloss out there. So I'm gonna get that up and get that ready and get that settled. And then yeah, that is our day. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that. And also I wanna show you guys my pieces that I just put in the bathroom. So hold on. So how cute is this? I actually was supposed to have this turned to the other side because if you watch my mom's video, you heard her say it was really hard to paint with these, but nonetheless, it's so cute. You see, these say facial care, and then because they're white, it kind of bounces off of my perfume, so they kind of look pink. How cute! I am obsessed. I think that is so cute. My little jewelry box. Yeah, super cute. That is gonna wrap up today's vlog. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video and be looking out for RayV Cosmetics. Bye.